Manga shiwa nguwa promise to never love again. No manga kono munyu umuntu, I know things will never be the same. I was ready to love, tired of playing games. Espuneni emapusheni, all I see is your face. Kazi mntana umuntu ungenzeni, ngoba njalo mamvuke ekuseni ngibheke empedeni. I didn't realize bengikubona emupusheni. Uthanda ungifundisile unjalo ngikhulisile. We made love like beauty and the beast. I was the beast and you see the beauty in me. But uthanda likhulela kodwa mina bengifisa ukwenza uma wenganhliziyo yami yathokoza mangina. When I look into your eyes I see paradise. Hold me close ntombazana ngeke ngidlale ngawo. Bengijwayele ukuya egrandini first time ungibona bengiplayer kodwa sesijola then you realize bekuyi-peer pressure. Ngiqala ukubona inhliziyo yami yasokola ngoba uhamnelinye isosha ngilokhu ngikubheka ngazama ukuyiqoqa the-3 ngahluleka ukuyibamba ngase ngifuna inamba yakho ngocingo ngase ngikudonsa sakhuluma ama-hour nangakusasa ngaphinde ngafona saphinde saxoxa uhlezi uhleka ukaze wangiphoxa. Then I realize I found my other half cause every time we talk we made love. Bengadlutho ngaleso sikhathi but you show me love. Did a lot of things happen but we never let go. Estephen bengibuza ukuthi wena ngiyakuthemba abanye bathi manginawo ifuture ngibona impela. Lapha nginalanga lonke ngifunela wena bakhuluma udoda ngaze ngabalalela. Numbers and days do change but you're nothing less than. I hope you stay the same. If something goes wrong I'm the one to be blamed. Wenzile amaphutha wafika wangivusa waphinde wangibuza wangitshela ukuthi angisoze ngamthola omunye umuntu ngeke ngakuzuza. Lawo amagama aqala kangithusa ngathula ngabuka empilweni yami ngiyadinga. I'll never love again if maybe wangishiya.